Hello student, in previous video we have studied about conventional source of energy. In conventional source of energy we have tried to understand their first conventional source of energy. What were they? They were fossil fuel and firewood. Fossil fuel, it means coal, petroleum and natural gases. But in non-conventional source of energy, I'll try to explain you non-conventional source of energy. Non-conventional resources. Non-conventional resources. Okay. नॉन कॉन्वेंशनल रिसोर्सेज में अपरंपरागत संसाधित रिसोर्सेज increasing of use of fossil fuel in leading to be shortage. If we continue at the present rate, maybe if actually using of non-renewable source of energy, it means conventional source of energy, is leading the shortage of that fuels. And if the condition will be remain as same rate, that time will become that where human being will have not any that type of very powerful energy resource and fossil fuel, because it will take million years ago, and maybe the deposit of fossil fuel will be exhaust. Then what will happen? Then we have to create alternative, an option at the place of fossil fuels. At the fossil fuel, we have to create, we have to choose, we have to use the alternative and the option of in the place of conventional source of energy, conventional fuels. It means fossil fuel. Non-conventional source of energy, it means these are, let me write first that these type of resource of energy are recently innovation. They do not cause any pollution. First, they non-conventional source of energy, resources or energies are not cause, do not pollute. First, and a new innovation, a new invention, but not fully developed everywhere, but we have to develop. What are they? I'll write here first. What is solar energy? Solar energy. Do you know our near about 500 of 300 200 years ago, human being did not know proper use of as electricity, solar, the sun heat and sunlight, they do not know use of solar energy. Solar energy is non-conventional source of energy. Wind energy, tidal energy, nuclear energy, geothermal energy, and biogas. There are six energy in front of you, and I hope all of you very familiarized by these energies. Solar energy, what is? Let's try to understand one by one. Conventional source of energy, here I can say renewable source of energy. This is also called renewable. Oh. This is also called renewable source of energy. It means maybe these energy have a huge stock and huge amount of stock, and maybe this will be replaced, or these energies will not exhaust. Okay, solar energy, what is? We have a very beautiful sun. We have, it means with a smiling face, but we cannot see its smile, sun's smile, smiling sun. We have a solar system have a very beautiful, not his male, it is male, sorry, it is not male, planets are not male or female, it is neutral gender, but in Hindu religion, sun is considered as a male god, not goddess. So he is very handsome, and this is our mother earth. This is earth, female, and earth is daughter of sun. वहीं से निकली थी. Earth receive amount of sun, heat and light energy, and suppose solar energy is the system of using of solar heat by technology and to convert into electricity, यानी conversion of solar energy into electricity. It is called solar energy. Solar energy is the energy that to receive from sun. Solar energy is the most abundant and non-polluting and inexhaustible energy, and a lot of instruments, solar heater, solar cooker, solar plate, सोलर प्लेट. अभी मेरे पास अगर डिजिटल कैमरा होता तो मैं आपको वहाँ पर दिखा देता सब चीज़ें. तो सोलर एनर्जी क्या है? सूर्य की सन की एनर्जी को हम क्या करेंगे, उसको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में बदल करके, हीट में बदल करके क्या करेंगे, वो कर देंगे. तो हम इसको अगर हम प्रयोग करें, घरों में आप देखते होंगे, इसके बारे में कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. अभी इसको आप क्या करना है, सोलर एनर्जी इज रिन्यूएबल सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी. ओके. विंड एनर्जी. Wind energy. Wind, we have earth has atmosphere and wind system. What happened? A chakki, pawan chakki, it's called windmill. Windmill. Wind. This is windmill. When wind flow, then I start to move. This is start to move. Start to move in any direction, and this is linked with a generator. And generator produce electricity. This is safe, inexhaustible, non-polluting, green, fresh, no problem, a lot of source, but we have to invest only the cost of infrastructure to develop windmill, and after all we will got free of cost electricity. Okay, wind energy. Tidal energy. What is in tidal energy? You know that due to gravitation of moon, in 24 hours, one times tides come in 2 times in one day. What happened? Suppose that this is sea. This is sea. sea or ocean. And here dam are constructed. Dam are, my art is not fine, so maybe dam are constructed, suppose that. And on high tide come, the water through pipe and through overflow reach here and become reservoirs. When during high tide water flow out of this dam, this here installed turbine move and generate electricity. And when water return from this reservoir through dam and overflow, then again turbine move, then electricity generated by turbine or generator. This is also free. Only we have to investment in infrastructure. Then high tide, low tide, high tide, low tide. हाई टाइड टरबाइन नचा, लो टाइड उधर गया पानी तब भी टरबाइन नचा। ठीक है, जैसे आप गांव में कभी कभी देखिए जहाँ मशीन पानी लगा रहा तो एक बड़ी टंकी लगी रहती है, एक बड़ी टंकी लगी रहती है ऐसे ऐसे। ठीक है, अब वो गिरेगा इधर तो यहाँ पर टरबाइन लगा दीजिए। ठीक है, अभी पानी ऊपर चला गया, मान लीजिए हाई टाइड आ गया, अब इधर पानी जाने लगा, इधर पानी जाने लगा, अब फिर ये नाचेगा। ठीक है, तो ये हाई टाइड लो टाइड में क्या होगा, ऐसे ऐसे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बनती रहेगी। न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी में तो केमिकल कंपोजिशन से हम डिसइंटीग्रेशन ऑफ न्यूक्लियॉन करते हैं, जिसमें यूरेनियम एंड थोरियम का प्रयोग करते हैं। यूरेनियम थोरियम का जो न्यूक्लियंस होते हैं उनको हम क्या करते हैं, ब्रेक करते हैं। ठीक है, न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस बाय द डिसइंटीग्रेशन ऑफ रेडियो एक्टिव एलिमेंट लाइक यूरेनियम एंड थोरियम। दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड न्यूक्लियर फिजन। एंड और क्या होता है कि एबंडेंट एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होती है, जिससे परमाणु बम का सिद्धांत जिस पे काम करता है। अब ज़्यादातर जो ये हैं कंट्रीज लाइक कनाडा, रसिया, यूएसए, जर्मनी, स्वीडन, कनाडा, इंडिया, यूक्रेन, दीज आर countries where are well developed in nuclear energy. Nuclear power station in India are set up in Narora in Uttar Pradesh, Tarapur in Maharashtra, Kota in Rajasthan, Kakrapur in Gujarat and Kaiga in Karnataka. Narora and Tarapur are famous nuclear power plant. Narora in Uttar Pradesh and Tarapur in Maharashtra. I think solar energy you have understood, wind energy, tidal energy, nuclear energy. Geothermal energy you have to understand. This is earth. You know that interior of the earth is very heat, and somewhere water. After heating of water, it will be converted into water vapor and with high pressure. And after drilling here, ड्रिल कर देते हैं तो ये वाटर क्या होता है, ऊपर की तरफ निकलने लगता है और बहुत स्पीड से निकलता है, बहुत विथ एबंडेंट पावर। एंड ड्यूरिंग द हीट ऑफ जियोथर्मल, जियो अंदर जीवन, पृथ्वी, थर्मल पावर गर्मी से जब ये निकलता है बाहर गैस, तो यहाँ पर टरबाइन लगी रहती है बीच में टरबाइन सेट किया जाता है। और ये टरबाइन उस भाप से क्या होता है, जैसे पाइप है मान लीजिए, अब पाइप के अंदर से खूब से भाप निकले, इसके अंदर टरबाइन लगा दीजिए, तो इधर से भाप निकलेगा तो टरबाइन को नचाते हुए निकलेगा, और नचाते हुए निकलेगा तो टरबाइन नाचेगी तो क्या होगा, जनरेटर नाचेगा तो क्या होगा, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बन जाएगी। ठीक है, जियोथर्मल में क्या होगा, हीट एनर्जी ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम अर्थ इज कॉल्ड जियोथर्मल एनर्जी। सेवरल ईयर जियोथर्मल एनर्जी हैज़ बीन यूज्ड टू कुकिंग, हीटिंग, बाथिंग, हॉट स्प्रिंग। और अलग अलग देशों में इंडिया जियोथर्मल पावर कम्स फ्रॉम जियोथर्मल स्प्रिंग, हिमालयन रीजन, गोदावरी वैली, सोन, नर्मदा, तापी रिफ्ट जोन, यहाँ पर इन सब में हमें देखने को मिलता है। बायोगैस, नेक्स्ट बायोगैस इज gaseous fuel. Biogas, it is developed from organic wastage. After the decomposition of organic wastage, when we put in any container and they produce methane gas. Or methane gas can be used as fuel. Maybe I know look this is container, this is okay. So here is a container and here is a here valve to fill the wastage. Actually this organic wastage, and here are filament और here extraction of gas of pipe through. ओके, एंड इसको हम डायरेक्ट गैस से जोड़ सकते हैं या फिर इसको हम अपना अलग तरीके से कर सकते हैं। अभी वेस्ट जब सड़ता है तो मीथेन गैस निकलती है, ठीक है, CH4 गैस निकलती है। CH एक्चुअली कैपिटल H रहेगा, CH4 मीथेन का में भी हम केमिस्ट्री के स्टूडेंट नहीं हैं तो हम नहीं कह सकते कि CH4 है, याद नहीं मुझे। मीथेन गैस निकलती है और मीथेन गैस का हम प्रयोग क्या करते हैं, उसमें हम करते हैं, ठीक है, बायोगैस में करते हैं। अब देखिए ये सब चीज़ें तो आपकी नॉन कन्वेंशनल सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी हो गई थी। अब नाउ वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड देयर कंजर्वेशन, दैट एनर्जी आर प्ले वेरी वाइटल रोल इन द वर्ल्ड इन मॉडर्न एज, बिकॉज दिस इज इंडस्ट्रियल एज। एंड हाउ कैन वी कंजर्व? by using less and to choose the alternative in the place of fossil fuel, we can conserve energy everywhere, but we can see that harnessing this energy is both difficulty as well as costly. In our daily routine we can conserve energy, okay, that in our daily, if there is no need to on TV, turn off fan, turn off the fan, turn off the every appliance in your home that are in high consuming electricity, turn off them if they are not in use, okay. And petroleum, how can we conserve? In the place of bicycle or your private vehicles, you can use. If you are going to in short distance, you can use cycle, and if you are going any other, you can use public transport. These are some methods you can choose. Actually you can suggest a lot of, you can take a lot of measures to conserve fossil fuels. Okay student, I hope all of you have understood. It means in this chapter we have understood about minerals, their distribution, their types, energy resources, mineral and energy resources has been completed. Okay, thank you students.